In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the header on your Wix website. Whether you're crafting a brand new site or giving an established one a fresh look, the header of your website serves as a cornerstone of both visual identity and user interface. It's essential to get it just right, so let's dive in and ensure your header looks polished and performs optimally. As you start by looking at your Wix dashboard, you'll notice the header right at the top of your website. Traditionally, this is where you'll find your site's logo, navigation menu, and perhaps a few contact details. To begin making adjustments, hover over the header. You'll see a button pop up. Click on it, as this is your entry point to customization. Right-clicking here opens up a variety of editing options, allowing you to tailor your header to your specific taste and needs. Now that you're in editing mode, Wix provides you with a wealth of options to explore. You have the freedom to drag and reposition items within the header to achieve perfect alignment and balance. Perhaps you want your logo to stand out more? No problem, just drag it to the center for a more prominent display. Or if you have a specific alignment in mind for your navigation menu, simply shift it to suit your design vision. Beyond positioning, resizing elements is just as intuitive. By clicking on any item you intend to resize, you can adjust its dimensions right there. The beauty of Wix's design tool is that these changes occur instantaneously, giving you immediate visual feedback on how your adjustments are impacting the overall design of your site. While the desktop view will likely be your primary focus, take advantage of the option to switch views and see how your site appears across different devices. Ensuring your website looks great on mobile is crucial in today's digital landscape, as many users will visit your site from their phones. By shifting to the mobile view with just a couple of clicks, you can ensure that your header maintains its integrity and appeal on smaller screens, keeping a consistent and professional look across all devices. That's a wrap on our concise guide to refining your Wix website's header. With these straightforward adjustments, you can significantly enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your header, making sure it aligns with your brand and provides a seamless user experience. By leveraging Wix's user-friendly design features, you're well on your way to crafting a website that is as beautiful as it is practical, regardless of how your audience accesses it. Remember to save your changes to preserve your work, and thank you for watching. Happy designing!